So here are the testimonials we created in the last section. What I'd like to do is to change this back to maybe 3 rather than 4. So I'll click here. That one there I'll get rid of because I decided I don't want that anymore. So what I've got are 3 testimonials here. What I'd like to do is to have 6 testimonials. So I'd like another row down here. Now I could go and create a new row and do the whole thing from scratch, but much easier would be to go up to here, because if we look here, this is an option that says duplicate rows. So if I click on this, there we go, we've duplicated the row, and you can do that for any types of rows. So down here I'll just go and make some changes. So I'll click on where it says module settings and I'll give it a different name, and I won't have any details for company details, and I'll just simply come down here, change the image, so we'll go for this one here. Similarly, I'll go and change this one, and we won't have a title or a company name, and we'll just come down here and we'll select a different image. We'll get rid of that one, click here, and we'll go for this one. There we go. Actually, I've just realized I already used that one, so I'll go and change that. And finally, we'll just change this last one down here as well. So again, I'll just give it a first name, no title, no company, and we'll go down here to where it says image, and we'll select an image. Actually, I don't have enough images here, so I'm going to have to recycle one of the images, but you get the idea. Okay, this one is duplicated, but I'm just showing you the the way to do this. So what we've done here is we've duplicated this row, and then we went and customized the row down here. So if I go here, I can now save my changes.